Hey there, in this video I will show you how to pay mortgage using Plastiq. First of all, log into your Plastiq account. If you don't want, you can also sign up quickly at plastiq.com. Once you are logged in, go to the make payment section. Next, enter the details of your mortgage lender, include the name and payment address. You can also search for your lender in the Plastiq system to save. After selecting your lender, enter your mortgage payment amount and choose your payment schedule, whether it's a one-time payments or recurring. And now choose your credit card and as the payment method. Keep in mind, Plastiq charges a small fees for processing credit card payments. Review the payments details and once everything looks good, hit submit. Plastiq will send the payment to your mortgage lender on your behalf. And that's it. You have successfully paid your mortgage with Plastiq. Thanks for watching.